Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today is going to be a memory plan with me, but before I jump into that, I want to give you guys my schedule going forward. So this past Monday, I uploaded a weekly plan with me, and I'm going to be doing that every Monday going forward, and that is in the vertical hourly. Tuesday is going to be a wild card day, as well as Thursday. Wednesday is going to be my memory plan with me days. I wanted to separate the two plan with me's out instead of having them back to back. Friday, I'm going to be doing my low income budget series, and I'm really excited to get back into budgeting now that my finances, now that my income is a little more steady now. So I'll talk more about that in that series. And then Saturday is going to be all about self-care, my self-care Saturday series. And then Sunday is going to be faith planning. Now on my wild card days, it could be planner related, it could be lifestyle related, it could be me cleaning. So wild card is wild card, but everything else, I needed to create a schedule because I really want to get into a routine, not just in my day-to-day life, but when it comes to my content as well. So that is the schedule. Monday, a weekly plan with me. Tuesday, wild card. Wednesday, my memory plan with me. Thursday is another wild card day. Friday is my low income budget series. Saturday is my self-care Saturday series. And then Sunday is my faith planning series. So now that we have that housekeeping out of the way, let's jump into my memory planning. Now this is a Franken planner that I put together, and I have a video on that. I'll link it for you guys to check out. But I only have 1 month of my memory planner inside of here. This dashboard, if you're wondering where it's from, it's actually from the 2017 Happy Planner. It was like the first neutral one that they came out with, and I'm really happy to be using it again because I didn't get to use it in 2017. So September is actually one that I redated, and the one that I'm going to be using in October is actually from the budget planner that my sister gave me, and I'm just going to reformat that and use it for my memory planning. So the first week, I've already done all of the months really. I put in the Steelers schedule for September through December, so I already did that. And this first week, September 2nd through the 8th, is going to be back to school. So I'm going to be pulling in a variety of stickers, and how I plan on doing this is to have daily gratitude, and I'm going to be getting that from Posh Plans, and then on the weekend I'll just write in my own thing. But Posh Plans, Pasha, on Instagram, she does a daily affirmation, and I love hers, and I want to write them down inside of my memory planner, so that's going to be that. So I have one of those boxes that's going to be filled with that. And then I'm going to, of course, cover this portion up. But for the month of September, I did go ahead and do the daily gratitude. I had these stickers left over. And yeah, so I don't know what else I'm going to be putting in my memory planner. Maybe my highlight of the day, what I'm watching. I will be sharing my TV show fall list. I'm incorporating a lot of half sheets inside of here. So that is that. So without further ado, and without me doing any more rambling, let's jump right into the planning with me. how I roll. So I still have plenty of space for my daily gratitude. So that's going to be going in the top box there. And then in the middle, highlights, whatever. I still can put whatever I want. And then the only other thing I'm going to go ahead and add in is I'm going to put some football stickers over here on Sunday, because Sunday is the season opener. We're going against the Patriots. So all the Patriots fans out there, shut up. Don't leave no comments. Don't give me no bullshit, okay? I mean that as nicely as I can say it, okay? So I'm going to actually go ahead and... do I have any of my football stickers out? I do. Lucky me. And I'm going to bring this one over a little bit. I'm just going to tear that off because I don't want it there. Because I'm going to put a little banner. Let me actually see. These are some puffy stickers. What does it say? No, I don't want that. I don't want that. So I have some of these left over. I've had these stickers for what seems like ever. But these are just football stickers from Hobby Lobby Paper Studio. But these little ones here are from... I don't remember. I got them off Etsy a long time ago. So I am going to put in game day. All right, so let me figure out okay, I was looking at something. My squad is playing. It's preseason, but it's not a good time to have anybody get hurt. So I'm just gonna put some footballs over here to signify that it's game day, because I'm overly obnoxious with my squad. You know, watching football players play in the rain is like the craziest thing ever, because I'm just like, like my nephews are playing football this year and it drives me insane because I don't want my little babies to get hurt. I just don't. My brother played football and the worst thing that happened to him was... I'm going to change that sticker, by the way. The worst thing that happened to him was his him dislocating his shoulder. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that happened his senior year. And he had been playing, I believe, since like 8th grade. So he was fortunate enough. He played defense. He was fortunate enough to not have like any injuries. But I mean, I can't say the same thing for everybody. Which is, it's just... the thought of my nephews, especially if I'm there, something were to like, they were to get hurt. I don't know. It just doesn't, I don't like it. And the thing is, I want my child to play football. That's the crazy thing. Anyway. Alright, so we have Steelers. I think I'm going to put it on a box. I think I have a box sticker here, because I kind of want to cover that line. Alright, so we have Steelers at the Patriots. And I'm going to put the time of the game. And then that pretty much wraps it up for this spread. So, where's my planner? Ooh, and then when we play the Seahawks, there's a wrestling pay-per-view. Lovely. Not really. Alright, so it's going to be on NBC, and the game is at 8:20. So, I'll be up late that night. I already know. Already know the tea. 8:20 and NBC. So there's my little back to school themed I did not leave any space for my affirmation. That's bad, because it's gonna look so dope going all the way across. So I'm just gonna shift everything really quick. So I went ahead and shifted everything down. So one thing I can tell you is that my daily gratitude will go at the top, and then everything else is just basically a free-for-all. But that wraps it up for this video. My plan with me's going forward, my memory plan with me's are going to be shorter. This one was just longer between giving you guys my schedule going forward, as well as the little washi tape debacle I had. But anyway, that's that. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will include links to items that I use in my videos, related videos, as well as the links to my blog and Instagram. My blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. And if you aren't a part of the Chaotic Critic family, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And to all of you that are, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.